We heard earlier from Chris and Michael about the rain in California.
So, Craig, give us an idea. You're breaking it down right now, right?
Boy, yeah, they've been getting hit again. So this is a constant pattern they've been dealing with. Moving here from California recently, it's no longer fire season, it's year round. They get fires and then they get the mudslides. This is just a constant for them. Take a look at the flash flood warning where Paradise is. 1 to 2 inches has fallen in the last hour. They have a flash flood warning till 9:15. Heading down south, they have flash flood watches for Orange County, the San Bernardino County Mountains, as well as the Riverside County Mountains. Not included is the most recent fire near Malibu. However, they're still getting a lot of rain and seeing some mud flows and some debris flows as well. Here's the radar. This system is impacting all of California, including snow across the Sierra, and a lot of that rain continues to move into Southern California and Northern California. It's not the system that's coming our direction, though. You can see the counterclockwise rotation right over San Francisco Bay Area. There's the system that's going to affect us tonight into tomorrow, and then after that, we've got some more scattered showers through Saturday morning. Notice right now, mostly just cloud cover, no rain just yet. So we'll break it down this way. You've got one storm just off the coast and another one in the Gulf of Alaska. So those two passing over us will give us some more scattered showers on Friday and Saturday. After that, we've got a cool weekend ahead. So scattered showers on Saturday, mid-40s for highs. On Sunday, we'll start the morning with upper 20s and low 30s and only get up into the 40s. What about the storms after that? Well, it looks like the chance for mountain snow and rain is going to be slim for the first week of December, and boy, do we need it. With the resorts and all of the ski resorts wanting the natural snow, it looks like the first week of December, we're pretty much shut off. Here's where we go with the Futurecast UW high resolution model, 7 p.m. A few scattered showers across the higher elevations, not much. It's not until tomorrow morning, about 4:30, where you start to see some light scattered showers, some of it affecting your morning commute for South Puget Sound. About 12 o'clock scattered just about everywhere. And you can almost make out the counterclockwise rotation. That's the center of the storm from that second one I showed you. That'll give us a little more widespread rain. That's Friday for 5 p.m. for the commute home. And then as we pass forward to midnight, more scattered showers. Now, if you're coming out to support us with Home Team Harvest, plan on maybe some light scattered showers. Not a lot, but some. But we certainly want to see you out there. Temperatures will be in the 40s about. And then as we prepare for the weekend, it looks like we'll start to see some clearing by Sunday. Rainfall total is not all that impressive. About 7/10 for Bremerton, about 1/4 of an inch for Seattle. Notice Oak Harbor about 1/10 or so. Same for Mount Vernon. Here's a look at the next 7 days. We've got the big game going on Sunday as well. It looks like temperatures will be in the 40s. We'll stay with these low 40s. Mark and Lori, especially Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we'll start the morning at freezing or close to that and only manage low to mid 40s for afternoon highs. So a cool weekend ahead. We'll send it back to you.